still got it. 10. Oh. 10-8. All right. There we go. Perfect bait right there. Perfect bait. Got him. Pumpkin seed, one of my favorite baits. That's 5. I need more than that. There we go. Another perfect size for bait. That puts us at 6. I'd like to get a few more, but if we can't, we can't. Got him. That's 7. That's a nice one, actually. But we'll try him. He'll go in there. That's 7. Let's see if we can get 8. I'd like to get 10, but 8 would work. There we go, number 8. Ooh, big female. She's full of eggs. I'm actually going to throw her back, see how fat she is. She's full of eggs. Got him. That is number 8. Biting so light. Number 8. We'll see if we can get a couple more. But 8 is sufficient. I don't know how good the bite's going to be, so it's not like I need to have 15 of them, because I don't think I'm going to be out here hammering them tonight. But it's nice to have bait. There we go. I know. Number 9. All right, we're out here. First flathead trip of the year. I don't have high hopes, but I know a few are getting caught. So let's see if we can't put together a good night. We got like 9 bluegills, as you saw. So I'm excited. Haven't been out yet. The bugs are out. That's always a good sign. But stay tuned. Let's get a flathead. This might be it. That's a big bite. I got him. Got him. Oh no, he come off. Oh man. Oh. Oh, dang it. Hook sharp. Ah, it was going to be my first one of the year. Darn it. Well, the first night of flathead fishing for 2025 was kind of a bust. Not really. I mean, we didn't get one. We had one on, and it came off, and that was disheartening. But we're going to be out a couple more times this week, so we're going to continue this video, and we're going to get one this week. I'll guarantee you that. So stay tuned. Night 2 of trying to get a flathead is coming up. Hey, let's try this again, huh? Get in.
What's up?
Get in. Ready to go try this?
Yeah.
All right. Wenzel sausages.
Nothing better than a Wenzel.
Yeah.
cheddar in there. How you doing?
You're getting the B-roll right now?
I got B-roll.
You didn't get anything except the catch. But we're back. That's a perfect eater. That's why he didn't bite it good. Number 1, baby.
Cute little guy.
Let's see him. Oh,
Oh, he would taste good.
yeah, he looks like he would taste great.
Cool.
On the board for the year.
On the board.
May, what is it?
8th.
May 8th.
Sweet.
Awesome.
Yeah, that's the nice part about them. B-roll, I gotta get B-roll, dude. He's pissing. That's a good size eel right there. That's gonna catch a fucking dog.
What if we lose a dog, dude?
I'm not gonna lose a dog, dude. Not bad at all.
Oh. First one of the year for me. Oh, he's all kinds of wrapped up. Probably should use net on since we got a net, but hey.
Yeah. All right.
Look at that. First one of the year. Second one on the night, baby.
Nice one. Fat as can be.
Yeah. Barely hooked him. Barely hooked him. Yeah, look at that. Oh, he bit me. There we go.
Yeah.
Look at that fish. He's about a 10-pounder. I don't know, maybe not quite. Let's put him on the scale, just get our eyes right. Nothing wrong with that fish. Keeps biting me. Ah! 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 Don't put your fingers in their mouth. Ah! Oh! Oh wow! I still got it. Oh! 10-8. All right, buddy.
Troublemaker.
Yeah. See you later. That was wild. 10 pounds, 8 ounces.